Hey garden friend, welcome back to Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today I'm tackling a topic that every gardener needs to be ready for, a heat wave. When those triple-digit days hit, our plants go straight into survival mode, growth slows down, fruit can drop, and leaves might burn. But don't worry, with a few smart steps you can help your garden not just survive, but actually bounce back even stronger. So let's dig in. First things first, water the right way. Deep watering always beats frequent shallow sips. I always soak the soil thoroughly early in the morning. This gives roots access to moisture before the sun gets fierce and it cuts down on evaporation. Skip watering during peak sun hours, trust me. It can actually scorch leaves and waste precious water. If a heat wave is coming, pre-water the day before to give your soil a nice moisture buffer. Next up, mulch like you mean it. Mulch is your garden's BFF during the heat. A good 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch, think straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings, keeps the soil cool and locked with moisture. It also shields shallow roots and keeps those greedy weeds at bay. But here's a pro tip, don't let mulch touch your plant stems directly. Leave a little gap to prevent rot. Now let's talk about shade. If the sun's beating down, your plants might need a helping hand. Grab some row covers, shade cloth, or even old bed sheets, and drape them over stakes to block out those harsh afternoon rays, especially for tender crops like lettuce, spinach, and herbs. If you're growing in containers, just move them into partial shade if you can. Even a couple hours out of direct sun can make a world of difference. During extreme heat, skip the fertilizer. Your plants are focused on survival, not pushing out more leaves or fruit. Feeding them now can actually stress them more. Instead, help out the roots. Water slowly and deeply, and after the heat passes, treat your plants to a little compost tea or diluted seaweed extract to help them recover. Harvest smart. Pick your fruits and veggies early in the morning while it's still cool. This helps your plants and keeps your harvest in better shape. And if you spot damaged or overripe fruit, go ahead and remove it. It'll save your plants energy for bouncing back. Airflow matters too. Hot, sticky weather can invite fungus, especially around crowded plants. Prune lower leaves or thin out crowded spots to keep the air moving and your plants feeling fresh. And finally, never forget about soil health. Healthy soil acts like a sponge holding on to moisture and supporting strong roots. Add compost before or after a heat wave to keep your soil resilient and ready for anything. A heat wave doesn't have to knock out your hard work. With smart watering, shading, and timing, you can protect your plants and help them bounce back. And hey, sometimes just keeping a few things alive through tough weather is a win. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more soil smart solutions right here on Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor. See you in the next one. Stay cool and keep growing.